There's a different story, but if you think you know where you come from, you might want to think again. Scientists here at Sheffield University claim they can pinpoint your ancestors to the place they came from 1,000 years ago. In some cases, down to the village or even tribe. Put simply, the scientists isolate a unique part of your DNA and compare it to samples taken from people all over the world.
This part contains the history book that allows us to read the story of the DNA, where it came, where it is, and hopefully where it's going.
Time to test the theory. You might recognise this smile. Carol's given us access to the Kirkwood archives, as well as a DNA sample, which we've sent off for analysis.
Some of these people may be traced to England, but some of them may be traced elsewhere, such as French or Scandinavia.
The scientists looked for unique patterns in Carol's DNA, determined hundreds of years ago when populations began to mix and form new gene pools. So Carol, you could come from anywhere in the world, but our scientists have found that your ancestors originate from this little town in Scotland here called Crieff.
Crieff, my goodness. Do you know what, Jenny? I used to go to Crieff when I was a child on holiday. I grew up in a little village just across from the Isle of Skye called Morer. You can see just down the road from Malig.
Your family are not globetrotters.
They weren't then, clearly.
Although we are all very different people, we wear different clothes, we like different food, there are some questions that we all share. And the question where we came from is universal.